Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to message a seller on Mercari app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and message a seller on the Mercari app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, let's click on an item that we see here on the listing. Now, once you're on an item listing, you could actually go ahead and scroll down. And then where it says meet the seller, you could actually go ahead and click on message. So once you click on message, this is where you could actually go ahead and ask if it's available, or if you need more further details, such as what's the condition, or what size is it, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and message a seller on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.